I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a thinking question on arithmetic series. You are given a sequence 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 6, and so on, where general term is minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 times n. Find the average of first 200 terms. That is your question. How are you going to do this? You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now let us write down this list once again. So 1, next term is minus 2, then we have 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6, and so on, right? We need to find average of first 200 terms, right? That is what we need to find. So how are you going to do it? Well, one way to do it is look at two terms at one time. So if I take these two terms and find what is the sum of these two, then what do you get? Sum of these two is minus 1, right? So similarly, what we will do is we'll group them into groups of 2's, right? So if I group them in group of 2's and try to find their sum, then what do I get? I'll get minus 1. 3 minus 4 is also minus 1. 5 minus 6 is also minus 1, correct? So likewise, if I have to go up to 200 terms, see, this is the first term, this is the second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. Like this, if I go to 200 terms, then how many groups I'm going to have? So let us say the number of groups. We are having groups of 2, so we will have in all 100 groups. Is it okay? And sum of each group is how much? Sum of each group of 2 is minus 1, correct? So that gives us sum of 100 groups. Sum of, let us say, 200 terms or 100 groups, right? Will be how much? Each group is minus 1, so it will be 100 times minus 1 or minus 100. Is it okay? So that is the sum of 200 terms. The question is, find the average of first 200 terms. So what is average? So average of 200 terms is how much? Average will be sum of terms, right? All 200, and divided by 200 itself, by the number of terms, right? Number of terms. That is how you get average, correct? Now in our case, sum of terms is minus 100 and total number of terms is 200, correct? So we get our answer as minus 1 over 2. So minus 1 over 2 is the solution or the answer for this particular question. Now these are the kind of thinking questions which you might get in your test. Go through them, try to understand, and I hope you will get good marks. Thank you and all the best.